Hey YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. So, I had a comment a while back. I did a video on how I use up my grinder discs, these flat discs, a lot longer than they're meant to be used. And as you can see, most of you that actually use these things will know how much smaller that is, but I'm going to show this to you and just show you that I use these things up and then I do my trick. Go check out that video. So I have a tips and tricks playlist, and I'm pretty sure this one's on there. If it's not, I'll make sure it gets on there. But as you can see, there's the disc right there that I'm using right now. I think this might even be the same disc, and then I'm going to show you a new disc right here. You can see how big that is compared to that right there. But that's how big it is normally, and that's what I've used up, and I'm not done using this. I will use this up, I'm telling you. And I don't know why the guy said I faked it and it wasn't real and it doesn't work, blah blah blah. You're always going to get some of those kind of people, but actually I've only had a couple of my videos that said that. First of all, I'm not being paid by this company or anything like that. I don't even know what the brand is on these. I did order them online on Amazon. If I can figure out what ones I ordered, I'll have a link below for them, because I do actually make some money off Amazon now, although I've been doing that for like 6 or 8 months and haven't seen a dime from it, so I don't know if I'm actually making any money. But regardless, I'll throw these down in the description below for the ones I bought. Yet again, I'm not being paid though. There's no reason for me to fake anything I do. I make like, I don't know, maybe $500 a month doing YouTube videos, and it's a lot of work. I don't make enough, we'll put it this way, I don't make enough off my YouTube videos to buy all the products and things or tools and even parts that I put on my vehicles. So why I would fake something, I don't know. And it's not even like a video that if you faked it you would get a ton of views. I don't even think I got that many views on it. And so you can see I'm doing this all in one take. Here's the plate here, here's the old one, here's the new one. So I'm not using a new one. You can clearly see that that is that smaller one right there. And I've actually ground 2 or 3 plates now with this thing. So it's probably getting a little dull as it is, but I'll show you. I can keep on using it. And because I don't want to make you wait for too long, I am just going to show you there's half and half. You can see it works perfectly fine, grinding plenty fast. It is a 40 grit that I got on here. This is a 40 grit here that I showed you, the new one. It grinds fine. You can cut these down and you can make them last longer. So I don't wish ill will to anybody, but I really hope that guy did ignore my video altogether and thought I was faking it and has gone and spent a crap ton of money on these, because they're not cheap even when you buy the cheap ones anymore. So there you go. Now you know. Hopefully you go check out that video and I'll get a few more views off of it. But it works. It really does work, and these stuff like this just cost too much to use it until it quits working and then pitch it in the garbage. Not only does that fill up our landfills, but it empties your bank account. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.